Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 53. Guys, 53 से पहले यानी कि 35 से लेकर 52 एक्सरसाइज तक फ्रेजेस हैं, उनमें डिक्टेशन नहीं है। आज हम 53 एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं डिक्टेशन की। अगर आपको फ्रेजेस की वीडियो चाहिए तो आप कमेंट में बता देना, मैं उनके लिए स्पेशल अलग से बना दूँगी। स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की डिक्टेशन। स्टार्ट। Madam, I draw the attention of the government to an alarming press report appearing in a section of the press that the Textile Ministry has recently decided to abolish the statutory minimum price for raw jute from the next season. Stop. Madam, there is a difference between the statutory minimum price and the minimum price. Stop. If a statutory minimum price is announced, there is an obligation on the part of the government to enforce that price, but if a minimum price is announced, there is no such obligation. Stop. Government, it seems, has come to the conclusion that there is no necessity to enforce a statutory minimum price for raw jute, which is an important crop in the eastern region of the country. Stop. This year, the price for raw jute was a little better because the market had looked up and there were certain ominous developments in the Bangladesh economy. Stop. There was also boosting of international demand. Stop. Madam, you might remember, that over the last several years, price of raw jute in the open market had declined enormously. Stop. Even after the Jute Corporation of India purchasing a part of the crop and the government taking some steps, the 40 lakh jute growers of eastern India could not be protected. Stop. There is distress sale on a very large scale. Stop. In a situation like this, if the enactment of statutory minimum price for raw jute is withdrawn, it means there will be no marketing operations by the government, government will be under no obligation to protect the jute growers. Stop. The Jute Corporation of India will not be purchasing jute to push its price. Stop. It means that the jute growers will be left absolutely the sweet will of the hungry wolves who now constitute the jute industry of our state and of this country. Stop. As you know, jute industry is the most delinquent industry. Stop. It had offended the law, had not paid the statutory payments, and had even retrenched, on a very large scale the workers of this country. Stop. Therefore, if there is no obligation on the part of the government to purchase raw jute, if the market price dwindles down to statutory minimum, it means that there is not going to be any jute purchase by the Jute Corporation of India, and there is not going to be any state intervention. Stop.